Welcome back to this video. Sometime when we turn on our Windows PC, Edge browser automatically launch. If you want to disable it or to fix this problem of auto launch of Edge browser, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to disable it or how you can stop the auto launch of Edge browser on your Windows PC. So let's find out. Well, before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to open up your Edge browser. Then after you open up your Edge browser, next thing you need to do is simply come to the top right here where you have this particular three dots. Click on that and this is going to drop down. Then scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to settings. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply go to start, home and new tab. Click on that. Then you have to simply scroll down right here where you have on window device start. Automatically open Edge when you sign it into window. Make sure you turn off this button. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use your Edge browser. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.